3, 2, 1. Red flag, red on the track. Nice. I didn't see what happened over there, but he went up and over, did a barrel roll back on his wheels, and was like, yep, that's enough. Nice job. Way to put it out there. These guys are throwing mud all the way past my table here. I had to step back a little bit to enjoy the show. Checking with our flagman. All good on the far side. Here we go. Head-to-head battle as they come sideways down the front stretch. There's a bump and run in turn 1. That's Rosnowski's going to pull out in the 187. Here comes a white flag. Sliding his way through turn 2 into a victory. Rosnowski in the